Alright, y'all, what's the deal, man? It's JT back with another video, man. I'm really picking up where I left off at a few days ago. A couple y'all I had spotted I was supposed to post a testimonial video, and I uploaded the wrong video. It wasn't even an edited version, so figure I'd run it back and show the actual testimonial. My guy Juan, he went and paid for the, which one was it? Oh, the TikTok Profit Kit one for $100. And we got him set up with my Make Money with JT account. He ended up buying this account too. If you notice, the latest video I just uploaded, I probably uploaded this probably 2 minutes ago. But yeah, he bought the TikTok profit system. I've been working closely with him over the last, I want to say 3 to 5 days, and I'm about to display his results on screen right now. As you can see right now, I said as I was texting him, told him send me a screenshot of his dashboard because I'm making a YouTube video. And let me go get a closer look. Where is it? Like as you can see, today right now it is Friday the 31st, about 4 in the morning. That's why it says $4.80. Yesterday he was at 12, and so far for the month he had 136. And when we started about 5 days ago, he was at 0. And what's crazy was the very first day I was working with him, we had a post go viral basically. Let me go back to it. Where is it? That's it. Where'd it go? Oh, this is the first video I started working with him right here. The very first video had 26,000, almost 27,000 views, but we was promoting the wrong offer the whole time, and he didn't get a single conversion. So he really was supposed to make double of what he already got here on screen, which is 136. You can see the offer he promoting, inbox dollars, 16% conversion rate. He made 136, and you can see at the bottom, I Survey World, he had 157 clicks with no conversion. So that killed us for that day, and that was day one. You want to take advantage of those viral videos ASAP. And real quick, here's my results. Like I said, it's only 4 in the morning, which is why I'm only at $90. Yesterday, I ended up hitting 720 so far for the month, a little over 23,000. But this video is not about me. There's 2 things I wanted to talk about. Let me play his testimony on screen right now.
How you guys doing? I just want to give a shout out to Juan, for showing us the CPA marketing with TikTok. I've been buying his courses for the last couple of years, and Facebook, Craigslist, and now TikTok, and the guys legit stuff. How to get traffic to a TikTok page to promote our CPA offers. I've been making some decent results. Small results, but it's something. Look, if I could show you guys here what I made in MaxBounty in the last 24 hours. $19.20. Small results, but I just gotta be constant with this. What Juan is teaching us in this CPA marketing courses, it's legit. Shout out to Juan.
All right, so now that you've seen his testimonial, got that out the way, let me show y'all an example of what, let's say you're interested in TikTok Profit Kit. You click on here, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. Click on here, get started now. I literally build your whole entire account for you, as well as create the videos and upload them with the captions. Exactly how I do it, exactly how I go viral, just with your own account. You had to log into it. Once I'm done, it's 2 different packages. You got the TikTok Profit Kit for 100, where I do 10 videos personally done by me, or 25 videos done by me for $250. And everybody that purchases any of the TikTok Profit Kits from now till next Friday will get access to the free. You will get free access to the TikTok Profit system. I'm dropping a new course next Friday. Anybody that buys the TikTok Profit Kit between now and then will have free access to it. So you will have an account completely built by me with videos already preloaded, as well as the course with my new strategies or whatever for TikTok. And let me show you an example script that I made for him right here. Work from home jobs, August 1st. Oh, you can pause it, read it on your own. This is all his stuff. And from this script, I ended up making a whole video for him. It's on the Make Money with JT account if you want to watch if you want to see like the results. By the time you see this video or whatever, you can go check it out on your own. Let me show y'all what the video looks like once I was done with it. It's an example of one of the videos you will get when you purchase. Show y'all real quick. I'm trying to turn the volume down so it ain't too loud. If your bank is fucked and needing legit work from your job, these aren't those fake work from home jobs on TikTok. Here are 4 immediate hire remote jobs paying up to $35 an hour hiring right now. I'm gonna just show his. Club pays up to $35 an hour to review top brands, products, and services. Oh, I was supposed to. Damn, I gotta redo that one, but you know, if mess around still go viral. But that's an example of one of the videos that I made for him already, and I'm gonna be posting probably 3 to 5 videos per day for him for the next week, and he get all that traffic. So mind you, I was only working with him for about 3 to 5 days, and he already crossed his first 100. Where he at? 136, all just with 5 days of work. So imagine once the videos compound, he got 100 videos on this account. He'll be right where I'm at. You know what I'm saying? How I'm able to make hundreds a day is literally that easy. It's not just one viral video. It's a collection of videos. So imagine you got 30, 40, 50, 200 videos that got 5,000 views, 10,000 views, 100,000 views, 3,000 views. All that stuff add up. That's how I'm able to get the results y'all be seeing me post. That's how I'm able to get it consistently. Just a bunch of videos built up over time. So yeah, everybody, I already said that. I'm going over my words now. So anybody that buys the TikTok Profit Kit between now and next Friday will have 100% free access to the TikTok Profit system. And yeah, if you paying with Cash App, Apple Pay, or Zelle, just shoot me an email. If not, you can come to the Stand Store link and buy with your credit card right away. Real simple. It only take 2 seconds. I like this better than ClickFunnels, which is why I moved over to what's it called? Stand Store. But yeah, if you got any questions about the TikTok Profit Kit, TikTok Profit System, I'm gonna have a course outline ready probably in my next video. But yeah, man, we starting off August with a bang. That's pretty much all I got for this video, man. I'll see y'all in the next one.